Hello viewers, welcome to my channel once again. In today's video, we will be talking about healthy breakfast recipes. Smoothie Bowl, a vibrant and customizable power breakfast. Ingredients: 1 frozen banana, chopped. Half a cup mixed frozen berries, half a cup milk, dairy or non-dairy. 1 scoop protein powder, optional. Toppings: granola, fresh fruit, chia seeds, shredded coconut, nuts. Instructions: combine frozen banana, frozen berries, milk, and protein powder, if using, in a high-speed blender. Blend until smooth and creamy, adding a little more milk if needed to reach desired consistency. It should be thick enough to eat with a spoon. Pour the smoothie into a bowl. Arrange your favorite toppings attractively over the top. Serve immediately. Thank you for watching Healthy Food Recipes. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next healthy recipes. Until next time, keep watching.